In a single village in a Jazeera state, central Sudan, more than 500 people have been killed. The RSF have lined up the men of the village and killed each one of them. Bodies are scattered on the street. The women of the village are now killing themselves. Up to 100. We've been hearing reports of 100 women committing suicide just so they could protect themselves from the RSF, sexual violence and sexual terrorism. For an entire week, the RSF have been committing a lot of massacres and genocides all over a Jazeera state. They have lined up children and shot them at their heads. They have killed patients in hospitals. They have killed people with disabilities, actually slaughtered people with disabilities, all because an RSF commander has surrendered to the army.
تسمعوا كلامه ثاني؟ قولوا والله متأكدين؟ تعرف ان اداكم بنتوا بيصيروا؟ والله متأكدين؟ دي يا الحتة يا الحتة دي سريعة بس سريعة وازرق وين؟ سريعة جغمناكم؟ بل والله ما تقسم بالله جغمناكم ايوه ما في